In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Insta360 X3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Insta360 X3 or any other model of camera, you can easily perform a factory reset. This can be useful if you are encountering problems while trying to use it, or your storage is full, anything related to these settings is not working, and so on. To do this, your Insta360 camera needs to be able to power on because we need to use the display. If you don't have access to the display or it's not powering on, then sadly this method will not help you. So turn on your Insta360 X3 camera, swipe down from the top of the screen and access the shortcut menu. Now go into the settings, which is going to be this little gear icon. When you access the settings of your Insta360 X3, scroll all the way down and at the bottom you will find Factory Reset. So it's as simple as choosing this option within the settings of the Insta360 X3. Immediately upon tapping on Factory Reset, you will be able to confirm. So once you find this option, tap on Confirm and wait for this process to finish. You don't have to do anything else. As long as you confirm that you want to perform a factory reset, the camera will then restart and begin the setup process again, allowing you to choose your language and other initial settings. Be aware that a hard reset is different than a factory reset. Some devices have a separate hard reset that might involve a pinhole button. This one primarily uses a factory reset option, so when you choose this through the menu, it is going to be fully reset, including the settings, the storage, and everything else that you set up initially on your X3. This process should also work with other models like the X4. Simply look for the reset option. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Insta360 X3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.